Good afternoon. I'm really sorry, my interpreter doesn't know Telugu. So, first of all, I owe you all an apology. She'll be translating in English only, so please consider this as a request. So, thank you, everybody. It's been a pleasure to be here. So, first of all, I would like to thank all the distributors and the executive producers from Telugu industry. Thank you so much. Uh, then Jojusa, I have never ever dreamt of meeting you in my life, but it was a great honor and a privilege to be a part of your movie. So it was all a sudden surprise when you have called me, came over to my location and have narrated that story. So please do watch this movie. This is a very excellent movie directed by Mr. Joju sir. So all the actors, the whole crew have done a really good job. And also for Jojo sir, it was not easy because being the director, actor, he have to take care of the production part also. Such a kind-hearted person he is. Very funny, and the sets were really funny. I had great, happiness in the sets. So thank you, Jojo sir. Thank you so much. And I will also like to mention some of the assistant director, Sandeep, Safar, and Jayan. So I have shared a very good bond with them because Malayalam, I am not that great in Malayalam. So they have really helped me with the language, how to express, because the scripts were really hard. No, it was very hard for me to lip sync. And also considering the expressions in Telugu, we used to have some loud expressions, but in Malayalam, no, the entire acting pattern is really different and as well as difficult. Then my co-stars Dunais, Saga, no, they have did a brilliant job in the movie. They have also acted really nice. So hats off to you boys. So all the best for your future as well. Then coming to Ranjit Velayudan, so he has been doing his role very perfectly. He has acted as a commissioner in this movie. So it was been a very great rapport with him as well. And also, I would like to mention Bobby. So he has also done a very good job in this movie. Always funny, teasing, and I really love him. So thank you. We had a very good bond. So thank you so much, Bobby sir. Then my production team, Agnivesh, as well as Waki. So they have also done a very good job. Thank you so much. It's been all of them have done all their efforts. Even Waki is also a very good person. No, we have a very close bond. So hats off to the whole team and crew of the movie. And also thank you the Telugu executive producers and also the distributors. Thank you, thank you so much. It's been a great pleasure coming and meeting you all here. Thank you so much. Okay, so now it's time, to show some gratitude towards my family. So first of all, my brother only have heard the script and he only have told me that you must do this movie. It's such a nice movie. So thank you, Anna. And also my mother. Yeah, I really miss her. I have lost her in past 4 months ago. I have lost her, but still I believe that she is with me. So in all my shoot time, the whole time in the movie, she was the one who was accompanying me. So I really miss my mom at this moment. Thank you, Amma. Thank you so much. You have given me such a great life. I love you so much and thank you. And I believe you will be always with me. And my father, thank you so much, Appa. Thank you for being there for me always. You are my greatest strength. Thank you so much. And to all my family members, thank you so much. And also again and again, see, I really wanted to thank you, Jojusa, for choosing me for this movie, for this particular character, Gauri. So as everyone mentioned, it was a huge success in Kerala. We had so many houseful shows over there. In even in the 50 days also, it was a huge success over there. So please do watch this movie. We hope here also this movie becomes a great success. Actually, the movie, no, the story is entirely different. We have so many interesting elements in this movie. So it would be like a no, very nice thriller movie. So hats off to whole the team. The movie have came out really nice. So please do share the feedback. Please do watch this movie on December 13th in theaters. So I hope this will be a huge success in no Tollywood as well. Thank you so much. Thank you all for your time and thank you all for being here. Thank you so much.